Today I want to show you the Kobo Remote. It's a battery-powered remote control for Bluetooth-enabled Kobo e-readers like this Kobo Libra color. Let's check out what comes with it, how to use it, and my 3 favorite features, and if it could use any improvements. And let's open the box. It comes with a quick start guide, a bunch of documentation that nobody reads, a lanyard, and then the remote itself, which is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's got a tab right here that you pull out so that the battery will power it. It comes with a AAA battery pre-installed. There's also a button right here on top that's used for pairing it with a Bluetooth-enabled Kobo reader like this one. This is the Kobo Libra color. And let's go ahead and pair it up real quick. So I just woke it up. And then if you look real close, there is the Bluetooth. I'm going to tap it. I'm going to turn on Bluetooth. Bluetooth is now turned on. And then I'm going to click this button on top to pair it. It's blinking on the back, if you can see. And there it is right there, Kobo Remote. So if I tap on it, it says it's connecting, and now it is connected. Let's go into this book right here. And now I am going to click this big button to go forward a page. Boom. That's really fast. Say I want to go back a page, then I press this smaller button. And you can see that it's going back pages. Big buttons forward, little buttons backwards. And you can also use this remote with audiobooks. So let's try that real quick. The way this remote works when you're using it with an audiobook is a little bit different than when you're reading a book. First of all, with the Kobo e-readers, you have to pair it with some kind of Bluetooth device. Most people are going to use earbuds, right? But to test this, I have a book pulled up and I have this little Bluetooth speaker. And I've paired it with the e-reader, and now I'm going to press the play button on the e-reader. This doesn't play and pause, it actually does something different. So let me show you what happens here. I'm going to hit the play button.
Heavy Minnesota sludge. Or have you forgotten what it's
So you
like
can hear
back
it
there?
playing, right? Now, if you hit the big button, it's going to fast forward 30 seconds.
Like I did every summer back in Mankato.
That's what it did. It skipped 30 seconds. I'll press it again. And it goes again. So there's a little bit of a pause. If you hit the little button, it backs up 30 seconds. So you have to then press the actual screen on the e-reader to stop the playback. So it's not that great to use for audiobooks, but for reading an ebook, it works out pretty dang well. So who is this remote for? Well, it's for anybody that has a Kobo reader that has Bluetooth, but it's also great if you like to walk on a treadmill while you're reading, because you don't have to worry about trying to press the buttons on the reader itself. You just click the remote. Or if you like to read books when you're under the covers and you don't want to pull your hands out every time to change pages, just put that remote underneath the covers in your hand and you can flip through pages really quickly that way. And it's also great for people that might have dexterity problems or arthritis, because you don't have to press those physical buttons. You can hold the remote in your hand and it's a lot easier to press the button on the remote to turn the pages. My 3 favorite features of the Kobo remote are that it's nice and small, it's easy to hold, it's comfortable, and it's got this nice indentation for my thumb. So my thumb just rests right in this large button, which is the, forward button to turn the pages, and it's easy to click. Now, if I could improve this remote, I would make it rechargeable. instead of needing to change the battery in it, a physical battery. I think it would be better if it was rechargeable. And it would also be great if it worked with other e-readers like Kindles. But for right now, this is made by Kobo, so it's for Kobo readers that have Bluetooth. And other than that, it's a nice little accessory for people who have Kobo readers and want an easier way to turn pages. Let me know in the comments below if you would buy one of these for your e-reader. And as always, thanks for watching.